Good morning, children. This is the first session of the Standard 10th Civics, Chapter 1, Indian Constitution. Now, let me go on to the topic, Indian Constitution. We are going to learn from this lesson about the making of the Constitution. The Constitution is the fundamental of a country. It reflects the fundamental principles on which the government of that country is based. It is the vehicle of a nation's progress. Indian Constitution is a framework of the distribution of powers between the various organs of the government and between the union and the states. The concept of constitution was first originated in USA. The need for a constitution. All democratic countries have a constitution that governs them. A constitution tells us the fundamental nature of a society. A country is made up of different communities of people who have different beliefs. It helps in fulfilling the beliefs of different sections of citizens. Making of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India was framed by a Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Assembly consists of 389 members representing provinces 292, states 93, the commissioners provinces 3 and Balochistan 1. The first meeting was held on December 9th, 1946. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha was elected as the temporary president. While the work was in progress, he died. After his death, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President of the Assembly. H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari were elected as the Vice President of the Assembly. The Assembly met for 11 sessions. During the sessions, 2,473 amendments were presented. The Assembly worked through various committees, and the draft of the Constitution was prepared by the drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Ambedkar. He is recognized as the father of the Constitution of India. After the draft was discussed, the Constitution was finally adopted on November 26, 1949, with 395 articles and 8 schedules. The drafted Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. 26 January 1950, this day is known as the Republic Day. Now, salient features of Indian Constitution. It is the lengthiest of all the written constitutions of the world. It has borrowed most of the provisions from the constitutions of various countries. It is partly rigid and partly flexible. It establishes a federal system of government. It establishes the parliamentary system at the center and the state. It makes India a secular state. It provides an independent judiciary. It introduces universal adult franchise, right to vote above 18 years. It provides single citizenship. It makes special provisions for minorities, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, etc. Salient features of Indian Constitution. It is the lengthiest of all the written constitutions of the world. It has borrowed most of the provisions from the constitutions of various countries. It is partly rigid and partly flexible. It establishes a federal system of government. It establishes the parliamentary system at the center and the state. It makes India a secular state. It provides an independent judiciary. It introduces universal adult franchise, right to vote above 18 years. It provides single citizenship. It makes special provisions for minorities, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, etc. Preamble. The term preamble refers to the introduction to the Constitution. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was drafted by Jawaharlal Nehru, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947. It begins with the phrase, "We the people of India." It states that India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The Constitution guarantees liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship to all. It promotes equality and fraternity among all Indians. With this, we come to the end of the session 1, Standard 10, Civics, Chapter 1, Indian Constitution. So, in session 1, we learnt about Indian Constitution, introduction, the need for a constitution, making of Indian Constitution, salient features of Indian Constitution, preamble. Thank you.